Hello and welcome back to ARCHI Tools. Many Revit users get confused between type and instance parameters. Let me simplify this for you. Type parameters control properties that are common to all elements of the same type. So, if you change a type parameter, every element using that type will update. For example, wall thickness, door width, or window height. On the other hand, instance parameter control properties of individual elements. Changing an instance parameter affects only the selected objects. Examples include base offset, sill height, or mark value. Think of it as like type parameters are like a template, while instance parameters are custom adjustments. Let's understand this by making a table family as an example. Let's begin. Go to new and create a family. I'll choose metric casework as a template. I'll make a family for a table, log these four sides, and I'll again go to the extrusion and provide a leg to this. This will be my base of 20 metal and one more extrusion, 25 of 883 going into 3D. This would be 880 base and the top would be at 900. Sorry, it would be 900, not 9000. I'll log these parts. Just checking whether this is at the middle part or not. And I'll align this to the mid. Similarly for this part. So since I have aligned and logged it, it won't move from now on if I increase my sizes. Next thing we need to do is log these three things to keep this as at center. Now this was the default parameter which is already provided. If I select this on the label part, you will see that width parameter is provided. If I go to drop down, these are we have total uh, four parameters, and if I select one by one, you will see that we have a box for instance parameter. That means this is still a type parameter. If I click on this, it will become an instance parameter. So I'll just load this to show you how the type parameter works. I'll copy this. Now, if I select this, and in order to change its dimensions, I have to go into edit type. So for depth, let's say I want 1200 depth, and for the width, I want 1800 width. Height we have not uh, changed, so I'll keep height as it is. The central part is not correctly logged over here, so I'll again go back and check why this is not being logged. In order for this base to work, I'll make a separate family for the base and nest it into my current family. So I'll delete this and move it Go to my 3D. I'll copy this part so as to provide a top base. Click on Unstrain, move it above. Make it -20. This base has been made. I will save it. Before doing that, I'll check whether the reference planes are already provided or not. I don't want this, so I can remove it from my part. I only require this part. So just to keep it simple, we can keep it like this. Save as a family, table base. Now opening this family again, and loading the base family to my table as a nested family. I'll remove this part. Now I'll align this with the table center. I'll again check my parameters, whether it's working or not. So yes, now it's coming to center even though I changed its height. I'll load into my project. So this is my table and I have provided a depth of 1200. I can change it to 800 and width to 1000, and I'll check for both the tables. So both the sizes will change simultaneously at once. So providing type parameter is beneficial when we need to change multiple family sizes at once. But what if we have different kind of tables and its sizes need to be differentiated? For that, we need to provide the parameters in instance parameter. So this depth I can tick mark to make it an instance parameter, and again I'll load into my project. This time when I select this, you would find the cursors are provided for extending this because it's an instance parameter now. Every table has its own size now. The next thing which you will see that the parameter which was initially inside, now it has come in the properties panel because it is changeable. So I can change my 1000 by 1000, and still the other table sizes have remained the previous one. Remember this rule. If the change should apply everywhere, use type. If it's unique, use instance. I hope this video has given you a clear differentiation between the two. Let me know in the comment box if you have any problem related to this. Like and subscribe to our channel. Take care, keep learning.